بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله.
Okay, we're at the Kettensdorf station going to Vienna today. You can see the name on the background. I don't know whether that'll come out properly, but that's where we're at. And our camp over there. Okay, we're sitting in the train. I think, was it 15 minutes? 15 minutes to Vienna Central Station. Vienna suburbs. Clean train, that's for a start.
Video as well.
Now say that again.
You always have to go.
Go to the second stop.
Huh?
Go to the second stop on U6.
Genau, Währinger Straße. Yeah. And just walk down the street, steps. Yeah. And crossing. Yeah, she's running always all the street. Yeah. The street, and you get out here and walk in. Just crossing one street. Yeah, and you see 3 trams.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can
3 trams.
Trams.
So anyone
you can take and driving 4 or 5 stations.
Okay.
And you get out on the
Thank you.
Yes?
Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks.
We're at the station called Spitiliu. Now, no spit in here. Now, I don't know what that is. If you know, let me know. And there's plenty of Muslims in Vienna. It's amazing. There's so many hijabis here. It's unbelievable. I think we run the place here. That's the Voltikirchen Cathedral. We're heading that way now. Well, that's the cathedral we're just gonna go to now. And obviously I forgot my sunglasses. Green man. Let's go and see what it looks like inside. Okay, we're going in and let's see what it looks like inside. Sorry. Okay, we've arrived at the Vienna Town Hall. There it is, right at the back. There. We'll just walk down to there. This is the Vienna Town Hall. Now, hey, compare that with the London, Mirror Town Hall. Looks pretty cool. So there we are, and there it is. Vienna Town Hall. That's what I understood it to be. Okay, we're right at the town hall now, so we're going to have a look inside. Well, you won't get somber music like this in the London Town Hall. Are we allowed in here? We're certainly having a banquet here. Well, yeah, we got some pictures from the inside, but apparently we weren't allowed. It was a banqueting hall, town hall. So here we are. Some more pictures. Okay, we got thrown out of the inside. I don't think, she said we're not allowed there. So we're back on the outside. Okay, next stop. That's the town hall again. And opposite the town hall we have the Vienna Opera House. There it is. Well, this is the skyline of Vienna. Well, we're outside Hofburg. I'm told it's one of the imperial palaces of Vienna, and it's one of the biggest palaces in the world. Look it up yourself. What do you think, Bushra?
It's a lovely place. A lot of tourists here.
There's a video of the back of the palace, so it shows how big the palace is, the imperial palace. Well, you wouldn't believe what this is. This used to be a wooden pesta stool or pesta column. When the plague was on, This was to ward off the plague, and that's why this was erected. So in other words, it was a column erected to avoid the plague, called pest column or pest stool. Well, that's what it is. So pest stool here. We're trying to find a fridge magnet, but obviously, unbelievably, we can't find one. Okay, now back to where we were supposed to be going, St. Stephen's Cathedral. Well, we've arrived at the St. Stephen's Cathedral. Let's walk to it and see what it looks like inside. So we're at the St. Stephen's Cathedral, Gothic cathedral, landmark in Vienna, and it's got the iconic zigzag roof. There, you can see that. And there's about 333 steps to the top of the cathedral. Let's go inside and have a look. So St. Stephen's Cathedral was started in 1340 and it took about 30 years to build. And it's the most iconic cathedral, or one of the most important cathedrals in Vienna. Okay, we're going into the cathedral. St. Stephen's Cathedral, one of the most important cathedrals of Vienna, built in around 1340. Took about 30 years to build. We're at a halal Turkish restaurant and Bushra can't see anything. Our meals have arrived at naan kebab and chicken with potato salad. Don't ask how much we paid. Right, we are at the Vienna State Opera House, and it was built in the 1700s, the famous Vienna State Opera House. I'll take another picture. Looks like our tram has arrived to go to Bellevue Palace. Budi chala rahi hai. Well, we're at Belvedere Palace. Belvedere Palace, built in 1900s. It's now a museum with art collection. Belvedere Palace is now an art museum built in the 1900s. Courtesy of WikiLeaks or Wikimedia, Encyclopedia, what it's called. That's better. That's the largest art collection. Belvedere Palace, this is the front elevation, built in the 1900s, now an art museum. Welcome, we're at the pause. Right, we're at the Schönbrunn Palace, the summer palace of the Habsburg dynasty, and this is their summer residence. It's a couple of pillars with some eagles on the end. What happened? It was built in the 1690s as a summer residence. So look a bit like Buckingham Palace. Skullbone Palace, if that's how you pronounce it, built in 1690s as the Habsburgs' imperial summer residence. What's this place called?
Some palace.
The Habsburg Palace, if that's how you pronounce it. It's the summer residence of the Habsburg family. Summer residence, built in 1690s. That's what I thought. Nice, some horse carriages. Okay, that's the okay, that's the end of our Vienna tour, and we are now going back to the Campervan. What do you think, Bushra? What was it like?
It was nice. I enjoyed it. Especially the Turkish kebab.
And like we said, don't ask. Good, because Bushra paid. Even more nice. Well, here's the ticket office. The tickets are around 28 or 29 euros each. Well, since we're not paying, we've seen the outside. The last palace we saw, we had to run out after 10 minutes. It's so dusty and claustrophobic. Okay, we're at the station, on the mainline station. They're going back to the campsite. Our train is at 17:12.